Welcome friends to the Vice Coders community. Now I am here with new coding challenge. The coding challenge is a string palindrome. The level of this challenge is easy. Now look at the questions. Write a program that accepts a string it as its only parameter and returns true if the string read the same when reversed ignoring case. That means we are returning true when the string and the reverse of that string is equal. And now we check with the ignoring case. Some sample input and outputs are the string dad should return true because dad is same as its reverse, and the string second race car should return true because with ignore case both reversed and the string will same. The string hello world should return false because its reverse cannot be equal with hello world. Hold on guys, first try yourself and then move forward with the solution. Below are the some tips that may help to write the program. Tip 1, use reversed method to reverse the array. And the second tip is array function will return a characters array. Tip 3, compare two array as equal if they contain same item in same order. Now look at the solution of this program. Is string a palindrome? This is the most common interview program and often asked. Most of the students are making this program in C language in the college time. Now we are making this program in Swift. In the solution we are covering two cases. First, if in a question there is no ignore case is mentioned, and the second is if ignoring case is mentioned in the question. For the first case, when there is no ignore case, simply write a function coding challenge to input str type string return type bool. Here simply return. Here we are going to reverse that string. It will return reversed characters array, and using array function for input string characters array. This will returns true if string and reverse string are same. If not, then it will return false. Now test our function. Coding challenge input string. First is that coding challenge. Second one is race car. Third one is hello world. Now run our program. As expected, first one is returns true and second one is return false because in the this is the case sensitive. R is capital, and when we reverse the race car, then capital R in the last, so the string is not same. That's why it returns false. Now move forward the next case. In this case, in the question there is ignore case. That means same like our questions. Then you have to handle ignore case. Writing a program for the same function coding challenge 2A. Input str type string, return type bool, let lowercase input is equal to input string. Lowercase function returns string in the lowercase. We are using same logic as above function with this lowercase input string. Lowercase input dot reverse double is equal to array of lowercase input. Now we are test our function by calling the method using classes 2A input string dad. Second string, third one is for the dry run. Now we are calculating the output. For the first, it will return true, second it will return true, and third one is false. Now check our answers. Run, and here as expected we are getting the same result. Guys, if you like the program, then kindly subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for the latest update for new coding challenges. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.